Thinking about trying Lovable AI in 2025? Hold up. Before you dive in, here's what you need to know. Lovable AI is not just another chatbot. It's a platform built to help you design, launch, and run AI agents for customer support, content creation, and task automation. Setup is quick, with templates for common workflows, and it integrates with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Notion. The AI learns from your instructions. So over time, it gets faster and more accurate. Compared to basic automation tools, Lovable is more flexible. You can customize tone, actions, and even multi-step processes. But it's not perfect. Complex tasks can still confuse it. And advanced features are locked behind higher price plans. If you're a freelancer or small business, it can save hours every week. For bigger companies, it works best as a supplement, not a full replacement for staff. That's the scoop. Test it before you commit and follow for more quick tech breakdowns.